Okay, hi friends. So today we'll discuss the physical properties and chemical properties of the carboxylic acids. First, physical properties. Physical properties. Physical properties. So the physical properties of carboxylic acids. So first, if you see the physical properties, up to carboxylic acid, so up to 9 carbons are liquids. Up to 9 carbons are 9 carbon atoms. Okay, now carboxylic acids up to 9 carbons, up to 9 carbons are colorless liquids. Colorless liquids. Up to 9 carbons are colorless liquids. Colorless liquids. And after, okay na, above 9 carbons are waxy solids, are wax like solids, wax like solids. Okay, up to 9 carbons are wax like solids, wax like solids, they are wax materials. Okay, so these are boiling points. If you see, so boiling points of carboxylic acids. So carboxylic acids with comparable mass, nearly same mass. With comparable mass, okay, with comparable mass అంటే నియర్లీ సేమ్ మాస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్స్ have more boiling points than alcohols. Okay, and then after aldehydes, okay, these are nearly equal to ketones. And then after ethers, and finally hydrocarbons. So in the case of carboxylic acids and in alcohols, in carboxylic acids, strong hydrogen bonding. Okay, now due to strong hydrogen bonding, carboxylic acids have more boiling point. Even alcohols also showing hydrogen bonding. Okay, but in carboxylic acids, hydrogen bonding strength is more, and there are two hydrogen bonds are formed. Okay, so how it is, if you see hydrogen bonding in liquid state, these carboxylic acids are exist as polymers. Okay, now in liquid state they are exist as polymers, ఎందుకంటే డ్యూ టు హైడ్రోజన్ బాండింగ్. అండ్ ఇన్ వేపరైజ్డ్ స్టేట్ దే ఆర్ డైమర్స్. ఇన్ వేపరైజ్డ్ స్టేట్ దే ఆర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ యాజ్ డైమర్స్గా ఉంటాయి. ఎందుకంటే దే షోస్ హైడ్రోజన్ బాండింగ్, డ్యూ టు హైడ్రోజన్ బాండ్ they are exist as a dimer in the vaporized state. Okay, so like this, the two molecule shows a hydrogen bond. Vaporized state, a dimer. This is a dimer. Vaporized state, vapor state లో two molecules డైమర్స్గా ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ సాల్యుబిలిటీ చూస్తే, ఓకే, if you see the solubility, these compounds up to 4 carbons are highly soluble in water. Up to 4 carbons are more soluble in water. Okay, now after that the solubility decreases with increasing the number of carbons. After that number of carbons increases, solubility decreases. Okay, now ఎందుకు అంటే డ్యూ టు ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోజన్ బాండ్. సో ఇలా హైడ్రోజన్ బాండ్ ఉండడం వల్ల కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్స్ అనేటివి వాటర్లో చక్కగా సాల్యుబుల్ అవుతాయి. దే కెన్ బి సాల్యుబుల్ ఇన్ వాటర్ ఈజీలీ డ్యూ టు ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోజన్ బాండ్ విత్ వాటర్. Hydrogen bond with water, they can soluble due to formation of hydrogen bond. Okay, so H bond. Okay, due to formation of hydrogen bond, up to 4 carbons are well soluble. After that the solubility decreases. Okay, so here the solubility in water decreases with increasing number of carbons. Solubility in water decreases with increase the number of carbons. Okay na, so that is the point. Next we will discuss further acetic acid. Acetic acid is colorless pungent liquid. Okay, acetic acid CH3COOH. This is a colorless pungent liquid. Okay, and it's have boiling point 118 degrees. Boiling point equal to 118 degrees Celsius. 118 degrees Celsius ఉంటుంది. It is sour to taste and miscible with water. Sour to taste and miscible with water. అంటే ఈజీలీ సాల్యుబుల్ ఇన్ వాటర్ అన్నమాట. మిసిబుల్ విత్ వాటర్ ఇన్ ఆల్ ప్రపోర్షన్స్ డ్యూ టు హైడ్రోజన్ బాండ్. ఓకే, ఇన్ ఆల్ ప్రపోర్షన్స్లో సాల్యుబుల్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ ఇట్స్ హ్యావ్ హియర్ 100% ఎసిటిక్ యాసిడ్, అంటే వాటర్ లేకుండా 100% ఎసిటిక్ యాసిడ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ గ్లేసియల్ ఎసిటిక్ యాసిడ్. అంటే 100% అంటే వితౌట్ వాటర్ అంటే వాటర్ ఫ్రీ ఉండాలి. వితౌట్ వాటర్ 100% acetic acid is called as glacial acetic acid. 100% acetic acid is called as glacial acetic acid. Okay, anhydrous acetic acid, and it's have melting point 17 degrees. Okay, its melting point is 17 degrees Celsius. 17 degrees ఉంటుంది. It can be solid in a refrigerator. Okay na, and looks icy. Okay na, it is solid in refrigerator, looks icy. It is solid in a refrigerator and looks icy. ఐస్ లాగా కనిపిస్తుంది అన్నమాట. ఓకే, so these are the properties of compounds, acetic acid. Okay, next we are going to discuss about the chemical properties. So the chemical properties of carboxylic acids. First, the OH bond involvement. Okay, here if you see the carbonyl carbon here in this, okay, now these are in one plane, Anna. So if it is migrate due to resonance, okay, here it is having lone pair, oxygen have lone pair, so due to presence of lone pairs on this oxygen, it can be shows resonance, so minus and double bond O H plus, okay, ఇలా రెజోనెన్స్ చూపిస్తుంది, రైట్. ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్, so this is formed and further this hydrogen should be transferred, this hydrogen transferred, so OH here double bond O and the reverse will be happen. So here the bond angle, here bond angle C2O OH, the bond angle is nearly 120 degrees ఉంటుంది. This is in planar, exists as a planar structure, planar structure, sp2 hybridized, okay, sp2 hybridized, the carbon is sp2 hybridized planar structure, okay. Now here carbon sp2, here this oxygen sp2, this oxygen sp3, if there is no pi bond sp3, there is no pi bond sp3, this is sp3 sp2 sp2, okay. So okay, right. So these are the, so the planarity and chemical properties. If you see the chemical properties, there are two types, OH bond involvement and CO bond involvement mainly, then after some other mixed reactions. So first take screenshots.